This is just going to be a quick video on this keyboard and how it sounds. The review is not intended for any other purposes, just then to show you how it works. You can find on YouTube different videos that go over more detail on key switches and all the plethora of information that you can possibly think about when it comes to mechanical keyboards. This video is just to show you how it sounds. The last thing I'd like to add to the video is that I am using this keyboard for both a Mac for productivity and then on a Windows computer for gaming. And this keyboard, and I didn't see this listed in the videos on YouTube or in the documentation that's available if you're just looking at the Amazon website, but this keyboard does support Windows and Mac mode. You need to press the function key and W for Windows mode, or the function key and E for Mac mode. And it works perfectly on a Mac and it works perfectly on a PC. It is also worth noting that for gaming, it does have the function to block the Windows key. And again, it's just function and then Windows key. And that will effectively cause this Windows key to be locked. And even if you press it accidentally, it won't trigger anything on Windows while gaming. It's a great keyboard for the price. I can't recommend it enough. I hope this video is helpful for y'all. Happy shopping.